Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Paul Morphy and Samuel Lewis. This game was played in Philadelphia in 1859. Paul Morphy had white pieces and he started with e4. Samuel Lewis played b6. Samuel Lewis was considered to be one of the strongest Philadelphia players in the 1830s. White to move d4 naturally, bishop to b7, bishop to d3, e6, knight to h3, not to obstruct the pawn on f file, d5, e5, gaining the space and preventing knight to f6, knight to e7, Morphy castled kingside, knight to g6, f4, bishop to e7, f5 in order to open the file for his rook. Pawn takes pawn on f5, bishop takes on f5, bishop to c8, bishop takes on c8, queen takes on c8, knight to c3 developing the knight and attacking the pawn on d5, c6 defending, bishop to g5, Samuel Lewis castled kingside, bishop takes on e7, knight takes on e7, queen to h5, black to move, h6 was played. If knight to d7, then knight to g5 threatening a checkmate. And after h6, knight takes on f7. That is why Samuel Lewis played h6. Rook to f3, knight to g6, rook from a to f1. Black to move, queen to e6 was played. Black would love to play knight to d7, but then e6, and after f takes on e6, queen takes on g6. Queen to e6, knight to e2, knight to d7, knight from e to f4 attacking the queen, knight takes on f4, knight takes on f4 attacking the queen again, queen to e7, rook to g3, threatening queen takes on h6, king to h7, something like rook from a to e8, then queen takes on h6, king to h7, rook from f to f3, rook to g8, knight to h3, g6. Again, if something like rook from a to f8, knight to g5, check, and after king to h8, knight takes on f7, if rook takes on f7, rook takes on f7. Back to our game. g6, but this is not preventing knight to g5, check. And black is in trouble. Queen takes on g5 was played. If king goes to g7, rook takes on f7 check, and after queen takes rook, knight takes on f7, and white is winning. So we have queen takes on g5. The idea is, if rook takes on g5, g takes on h5. Paul Morphy played rook takes on f7 check, king to h8. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is queen takes on g5. Samuel Lewis resigned in view of this continuation. H takes on g5, rook to h3, check, mate. Simple, beautiful and elegant. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.